Breakfast is a great way to start your day. While some people prefer to skip breakfast, others need a source of energy to get going. If you enjoy breakfast, choosing nutritious foods may provide long-lasting energy and keep you full for hours. These foods are typically high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. While it's best to avoid unhealthy options that are high in sugar, refined carbs, and additives, it's not always easy to know what to choose. As such, the list in this video will help you build a healthy breakfast. Here are 7 of the best foods and drinks to enjoy in the morning. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs make a simple, nutritious breakfast choice. They are an excellent source of protein, which helps support muscle synthesis. Since protein takes a while to digest, it also helps keep you feeling full. In one study, people given eggs and toast for breakfast reported significantly less hunger than those given bran cereal, suggesting that the egg group's higher protein intake, 25 grams versus 11 grams, promoted greater fullness. That said, try to limit your intake of highly processed breakfast items that are commonly paired with eggs, such as breakfast sausages and bacon. Instead, eat your eggs with other nutritious foods such as whole grain toast, whole fruit, or sauteed vegetables. Number 2. Coffee. Aside from water, coffee is the world's most popular beverage. Approximately 85% of Americans drink coffee on a regular basis. It's high in caffeine, a molecule that promotes alertness, improves mood, and increases physical and mental performance. Notably, many athletes drink coffee as a natural pre workout beverage to support sports performance. It also contains other beneficial compounds such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and diterpenes, which have antioxidant and anti inflammatory properties. In fact, regular coffee intake is associated with many health benefits such as a low risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, Parkinson's, certain types of cancer, and even death from all causes. Most studies suggest that 1 to 3 cups of coffee per day containing about 300 to 400 milligrams of caffeine provide these benefits. Although this amount is safe for adults, you should limit yourself to 300 mg or less of caffeine per day if you are pregnant. Number 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast option and it's nutritious to boot. It's made from rolled or steel cut oats, which contains a unique fiber called beta glucan. This soluble fiber not only helps reduce cholesterol levels but also promotes feeling of fullness by delaying stomach emptying and triggering the release of peptide YY, a fullness hormone that may prevent overeating. Oats are a good source of iron, B vitamins, manganese, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Keep in mind that oats don't contain gluten but are often processed alongside gluten containing grains, which increases the risk of cross contamination. Number 4. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are extremely nutritious and a great source of fiber. In fact, just 1 ounce, that means 28 grams, provides an impressive 10 grams of fiber per serving. A portion of this fiber is soluble, meaning that it absorbs water and increases the volume of food moving through your digestive tract. In turn, this process helps you feel full. Eating chia seeds led to significantly reduced hunger compared with flax seeds. Although both seeds are highly nutritious, the gilling properties of chia seeds may be responsible. These seeds' high soluble fiber may likewise help stabilize blood sugar levels and support heart health. Number 5. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are delicious and packed with antioxidants. Most are higher in fiber, which promotes fullness. In fact, raspberries and blackberries each provide an impressive 8 grams of fiber per cup. Berries also offer antioxidants called anthocyanins, which provides their characteristics blue, purple, and red colors. A diet high in anthocyanins is linked to reduced inflammation and a lower risk of illness like heart disease and certain types of cancer. Number 6. Nuts. Nuts of all types are high in magnesium, potassium, and heart healthy monounsaturated fat. They are also a great source of antioxidants. Brazil nuts are one of the best source of selenium. Just 2 Brazil nuts provide more than 100% of the daily value. Although nuts are high in calories, studies suggest you don't absorb all of their fat. Some studies show that your body only absorbs about 129 calories from a 1 ounce, that means 28 grams, serving of whole almonds, though you absorb more fat from processed versions such as almond butter. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is a soothing drink to get you going in the morning. It contains caffeine, which improves alertness and mood. One cup provides only 35 to 70 mg of caffeine, which is about half the amount in the same serving of coffee. It is also high in L-theanine, a compound that promotes a calming effect and may reduce the jitters linked to caffeine intake. It may also improve mood and reduce anxiety.